All right, so guys, this is number 1 out of 2.1, and it says for the point P -3, -1, and Q 4, 2, find the distance PQ and the coordinates of the midpoint. Okay, so this question has asked me actually to find two different things. It wants me to find the distance, and then we're going to find the midpoint. So let's first find the distance. So my distance formula looks like this. x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, and everything's inside the square root. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, this is my x1 and my y1 because it's my first point, and that's my x2 and my y2 because that's my second point. So first thing I'm going to do some substituting here. So x2 is the number 4 minus a -3 squared plus y2 is the number 2 minus a -1 squared. Okay. And then let's see. So remember, minus and minus make it plus. So 4 plus 3, that's 7 squared. Minus and minus make it plus. 2 plus 1 is 3 squared. I don't need all that square root right there anymore. Okay. And let's see. 7 squared is 49. And 3 squared is 9. So my distance is 49 plus 9 is 58. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to see if I can simplify this a little bit. Okay. So remember, the square root means I'm grouping in terms of 2. I'm getting pairs. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to think of my number 58. And I want to see if I can divide it by 2. So 58 divided by 2 is 26. And I can divide this by 2 again, and that's going to give me 13. So since the square root means I'm getting pairs, look what we have. We have a pair of 2's, right? So whatever number I have a pair of, that number is going to come outside. Whichever one is not paired up is going to have to stay inside. So my answer would be 2 times the square root of 13, okay? So that's my answer for the first part. And now the second part is we're going to find the midpoint, okay? So let's find the midpoint. The midpoint formula looks like this. x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2, okay? And so I'm going to come back and I'm going to just write my points in. So we said x1 was -3 and x2 was 4 because I'm getting the first numbers right here, -3 and 4. So -3 plus 4 over 2. And y1 and y2 are -1 and 2. -1 plus 2 all over 2. Okay. So -3 plus 4 is going to give me a positive 1 over 2. And -1 plus 2 is going to give me a positive 1 over 2. And let's fix that a little bit so it looks a little bit better. And here is the answer for my midpoint. Okay. Y'all got any questions? Please let me know. I'm happy to help.